Okay. So in the last class we have learned how to install our instance and how to launch web page. One homework I have given, do in Ubuntu. Who has done that homework in Ubuntu? No one. Anybody is there who has done? Anyone? You got a big holiday and suddenly you got yesterday also on holiday unnoticed. No one has done. Very good. था ना क्यों बोल रहा था ना कहीं जा रहा हूँ My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So,
No, sir.
huh? Is visible or not visible? Check now. Visible, na? Oh, fine. So at presently we have finished this, this, this. EC2 instance creating.
Instance. Okay.
That is only EC2, Elastic Cloud Computing.
Okay.
So today we'll talk about backup, migration, and Elastic IP. All three are same. No difference on these three. So basically today's topic is how to do backup. Backup in the sense, assume you have created a server with all the settings and suddenly it got deleted. Some zone problem, mistakenly you have done, or some other person you have given, he has not seen, he has deleted it. Okay? What is that? Data loss? So we'll do backup of that. That is what backup. Clear all? That is what your instance backup or image. Anything you can do. Backup or image. Huh?
Instance backup, no?
Your voice is not audible.
This topic is instance backup, no?
What?
I am saying that today's topic is instance backup.
Yes. This one. Instance backup and image. Today's topic. This is one we'll do how to take backup. And one backup can run multiple times. Okay, first today's topic is this. I'll give you this one. You can read this thing and let me know. Okay. I'm just doing the practical directly. First topic is this. Next topic will be migration. Can anybody tell the meaning of migration? Yes. So here migration will be different region. Like I am in Mumbai region. I have created my server. Suddenly they said, oh, I want same server in some other region. I'll migrate. That is migration. Clear? The recording is there. Is it clear? Meaning of migration, this topic. Migrating instance from one region to the other region. Okay? Whatever setup I will do, same setup will be there. Only I will migrate from one region to the other region. Okay? The last one is, which one I will do now is Elastic IP. These three topic I will do. Now what is Elastic IP? Nothing. You will give a static public IP. We will create one public IP and we will fix that public IP to my instance. Even though if I stop, my public IP will not change. I just fix it. So I'll do this one later. So let's do first this one. Okay? We'll do this instant backup. Okay? So for that, what I will do, I'll create one instance. So just Randomly I'm creating an instance. I will take this one only. Here let's take subnet SQL. One name. Anyway. In down, you can see one thing is the advanced detail. Now here, remember after installing, like whenever we install any program, we go there and VM install this and those things. You can text here. So let's try this one. I'm just giving this command. Like we'll do here also, I'm installing from. Let's see if that works or not. The other thing is same. Next. Next add tag. Let's give. Anyone you can take, no problem.
No, I'm asking you here the comments, right?
Yes, no,
That's what I'm asking you, rating.
yes, no.
If Windows,
Windows, you have no commands.
Okay.
GUI, no, that one. What is that?
third.
Third. Okay. So let's open mobile stream. Enter password. So I got something happened wrong. I'll delete mobile and add a new one. Where is program? Session SSH. हाँ हेलो क्लास আছে তোকে ফোন করছি দাঁড়া কালকে তোকে ফোন করিনি আমি জানি বুঝেছি আমি তোকে পরে ফোন করছি हाँ फाइन चल I think these things you know, correct? Okay. So now we have to check whether the command which I have used is working or not. Okay. So I'll check that. I'll just zoom it first. Fine. How to check system TTL status not working. Fine. Yeah.
System, yes.
It is running. Okay. I'll create one web page. CD slash created. Now let's come here. Copy this. Paste this. Hold a second. What security group I have taken? Security. Mistakenly, I have done one thing wrong. Okay. I should give here all traffic. Anyway. Okay, take Technicam, welcome to setting up backup class. So I assume my setting is done. Up to here the clear? Online people up to here clear?
Has been cleared.
Okay, now I will take backup of this and then I will delete this one. Thinking that something happened in bit.
Hello?
Tell.
इसमें कुछ समझ में नहीं आया अभी आपने जितना भी ऑप्शंस पे क्लिक किया है सर
आपका साउंड क्लियर नहीं है प्रॉपर थोड़ा सा माइक के सामने आई है
मैं बोल रहा हूँ सर कि कुछ क्लियर नहीं हुआ अभी आपने जो जो ऑप्शंस पे क्लिक किया था
ये वाला ना करके नीचे वाला
अभी जो आपने जितना किया सर उसमें आप बिल्कुल साइलेंट थे तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आया क्या हो रहा है उसमें सर बैकग्राउंड में
ये तो लास्ट क्लास ही कराया था ये तो नया कुछ नहीं है ये लास्ट क्लास मैंने जो इंस्टेंस क्रिएट किया था वही जस्ट क्रिएट करके एक वेब पेज क्रिएट किया मैंने ये तो लास्ट क्लास का ही क्लास है ये तो कुछ नया क्लास नहीं है हाँ बताइए क्या समझ में नहीं आया अब लास्ट क्लास प्रैक्टिस किया था लास्ट क्लास वाला
थोड़ा किया हुआ है उसका प्रैक्टिस से ऐसा कुछ
हाँ तो वही तो चीज किया है मैंने जस्ट यहाँ पे गया इंस्टेंस में खोला वहां जाके वेब पे HTTP को ऑन किया ऑन करके वेब पेज को इंस्टॉल कर दिया दैट्स इट मैंने अभी तक कुछ नया नहीं कराया ऑनलाइन पीपल डिड आई डिड समथिंग न्यू और द ओल्ड टॉपिक ओनली
old topic.
Okay, now I'm going to do the new thing. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create an image of this. I'm going to create an image of this instance. And I will delete this one, assuming that it has corrupted. Something happened. Okay, that is what I'm going to do. Okay, so how to do backup or image? Click on your instance. Action, scroll down, image and templates. Create image. Give an image name, like whatever name. So I'll just give backup. Okay. Description, if you want. All volume, everything will be there. Here, remember, don't keep this one. If you keep this one separately, if you do tag name, tag image, snapshot, make it one. At a time, both will create. Here, separate will create. So basically, we create these only. If you want to give tag name, you can give. If you want. If you don't want, just come down here. Create image. Once you create image, if you come down here, snapshot will be created. Snapshot is backup. Okay. This is 13 October. This is my old one. Remember, don't keep a snapshot here. It will be chargeable. I will delete this. Sorry. This is my old one. You are using the image file, na? That's the reason. October, 19 October. Okay. Fine. So refresh. So once you create image, it will see your file here. Backup. Okay, auto scaling I will delete. Hold a second. Huh? This is what you're creating. Backup. So you'll see in AMI, Amazon Machine Learning. Okay, sorry, Amazon Machine Images. Once this is done, you can see your file here also in snapshot also. But now it is not there, it's not created. So delete it. So if you remember, while creating my image, I have given an option, create image and snapshot together. So correct? So once it is doing here, it will create there also in snapshot. But once this is finished. Understood how to take image? Simple, come to your instance, click here, select this, action, images, and create images. And then give name and whatever you want. So see in the PPT also I have done same thing. Instance plus configuration, I have to create an image. Like what I did now, I have installed and then I have done app configuration. App means HTTP I have done. And then I created image. How will you create image? Give image name like I have given now. Choose this, create image. How to check? I'll go to AMI. I'll see the image name. After that, I will launch the instance by clicking on my AMI. So steps are there. You can follow the steps. I am doing the same thing. Just I am creating my image. First I will see here. So my backup is ready. Now my snapshot is creating. See today's date. Up to here clear? Anybody has any question how to create image file? Online people? Sunny?
ఇక్కడే ఉంది పోదామంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది బ్రో
ఇంకా క్లాస్
Hold. One by one you say. Who is saying? Sai, tell.
వద్దా
Huh? So till here everybody is clear.
Is image restriction.
What is?
Image restriction.
Image is backup. Snapshot means taking restore point. Like you created now, the same snapshot will be created somewhere. Both are same, no differences. Only once you create image, it will go to your AMI.
Okay.
Like while you choose instance, now there it will go. Snapshot the backup of it. There's a reason I have given backup or image. You are creating image, is getting backup snapshot. Okay. So anybody has any queries?
It's created means we can able to restore from the backup.
Yep. Now see, I will assume this got corrupted. Something happened. I will delete it. Okay, that means what? Now this page will not open, correct? See, it is searching. Yes or no? So instead of that, I will launch that one again. So, two ways of launching. Either you come here, launch instance directly, or come to instance only, launch instance, my AMI, which one you have created. Both are same. Either you do from here or do from there. Both will give same option. Select. Whichever same. Now you can also change your VPC if you want. That's why it's backup or images. You can change your VPC, you can do this. then add storage, next security group. I'll give practice, review, launch, 12. Let's do this, launch instance. See, problem loading the earlier one because it's not there. I have deleted it. This one I have created. Open this. Public IP copy. Come here. Paste here. Enter. Yes, you have to wait for something. It is still pending. So once we can do like this also. Okay. It came back up because the IP is 65. Earlier IP was 3. So this is how we do backup or image creation. Guys, still here clear? If anybody has any doubt, please let me know now only. If you're quiet, that means I'll assume you understood. Fine. See, whatever doubts you have to finish in this class only. Okay, great. Now next I will do migration. Migration means now where I have created in Mumbai region. Yes. And I will migrate this one to different region with same configuration. I will not change anything. I am just migrating my state. That's it. I'm not doing any changes over here. I'm just migrating my state. So with same configuration, nothing. It's not like that I'm creating new. Whatever I have here, same thing I'll create there. Like if I come here, if I see, I'll show you now only like first one I'm taking. Is there any AMIs running, any instance running? No. Nothing is running. Is there any AMIs here? No. Am I getting, while creating my instance, am I getting my instance here? No, because all things are created under region. So I have done everything on that region. Now I want to submit my entire setup here. Here if you go to a VPC also, VPC will be new. There is no old VPC. Let's check here, come here and check VPC once. Here VPC also only one default is created. See. Okay. So I am going to shift my entire setup from Mumbai to this region. All the image can be migrated, whatever server setup we have done. In real time also, while doing Jenkins server, Nagio, Docker and all, if you have to shift, only image can be shifted. VPC, everything you have to set up again. Only image can be, image is main thing. Your operating system, your scheduling is main thing. Other thing will you can create as per your requirement. So I am going to do now migrating. Is it clear? What I am going to do? See, steps are given. This is Mumbai region, this is Singapore. I will copy my instance from here to there. So for that, I need an account. I have to create snapshot. Already my snapshot is created. I have to make the snapshot as public and then choose the snapshot. Okay. And then follow the process. Nothing more. Create snapshot, copy will come like this. So let's do. There's a reason why this snapshot are created. It is also one kind of block storage. When I'll do S3 bucket, that time I'll talk about what is block storage. Okay? Is it clear what I'm doing? Understood? Online people? What I'm going to do, you got the practical? If you have any questions, please let me know.
Now, after practicing, I think we will ask the question for this one.
Okay, fine. So just check. But understood what I'm going to do?
Yeah.
I'm going to move this image to different region.
Sir, can you clarify a little bit more when we transfer the image, actually what happens there?
When I will whatever I have the settings over here, now this image which I have created that time. Whatever setup we will do, same thing will be copied to different region.
Okay. Data will be not transferred?
Huh?
Data.
Everything will go. I will not do any kind of setup like this. Everything will be by default ready there.
Okay.
Once I create my instance, I will do all my service settings, all installation, everything done. I'll create image.
And what are the things? And what are the things that will not copy there?
You will only copy the image, nothing more. What all means what? Whatever settings you have done here in an instance, okay, that setting will go. Simple. Just you're copying this file from this place to that place.
Okay.
I will not do any settings now. I'll assume this is my complete setting finished. Now I will do. So let's do. So come to snapshot, come to action. You can see copy is there. If you want to modify permission, you can modify by default. Whenever you keep your AMI, it is always in private. You want to make public, you can make public. But people do not do this. People do not do this. Reason behind that, if you make public as a server settings, it will be seen in the AMIs. So anybody can check. So let it be private only. Don't do any changes. Okay? Don't do any changes. So what I will do, I'll just click this action, copy. Which region I want? I want in this one I will do. London. Okay, let's go to London. What is the problem? Oh, where it is? Okay, let's go to London. Now description. You want to change the description, no problem. Like whatever images. Okay, whatever you write or keep it same. Copy. Snapshot copy operation was initiated. Close. In here, you will not see any changes in Mumbai region. You have to come to your London region. See, server images is copying. It is migrating from that to here. Once it's migrated, I will create image of this and I will launch. Whatever I have done my settings, everything is there.
But Amazon will ask for this.
Amazon will cause about the uses. So once you do, please delete it. With 30 GB is limited for you people. Guys, understood what I have done?
Sir, one thing now you have created the image of this one. Now from this onwards, if you will change anything in the London server, will it reflect on the Mumbai server?
No. See, it is not relation. It is just copying. Whatever I will do here, it will be for this only. It is not
Okay.
like that I will do some change and Mumbai to shift it. No.
Means
I
ki it will be done for the first time only. After that, it can't be done, na?
It can be done. Again, you do one thing. You go there, create one more image, give image
Okay.
name. Again, you push here. Again, run that image. It is not
Means-
continuation work.
Okay.
The
Okay.
image
Okay.
work we don't do in continuation. Once everything is set up ready, that time we'll create image.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. No, but please do not think this is a continuous work. Like you will do some changes here. You'll say no. Whatever images you have copied, that all it will work. Let's wait for some time. Okay. In the meantime, let's see. It will take some time. Our last topic of today is elastic IP. Now you see here in Mumbai region, I have run one instance. What is the IP address? It is 65 something, na that time. 650139, correct? Now I am going to restart this. What will happen? To restart, let's stop this. Stop. If I stop, you can see the elastic IP will go. Okay, again, when I will start, again new elastic IP will come. So what is the problem? My IPs will keep on changing and I will not get this one all the time. In real time, they will take one IP and they will give one name. They will identify this is my IP. Correct now? The same this problem to resolve this problem, we need elastic IP. Now see, IP address gone. You can see now the IP address is gone. Yes? Yes or no? Online people? Again I will start. Now again one defined IP will come. When I come and refresh here, it will not come because IP has changed. So I have to make this IP as static. So if I reboot also, restart also, the IP will not change. But it is chargeable. Remember, only one elastic IP is free for you. Okay? Hello? So let's refresh. Let's click on this. Still pending. You see? Different IP? Yes or no? So I will fix this one. How I will fix? Yes. So elastic IP is there. This one. Elastic IP. Click this. Hurry. I have got lot of charges, guarantee. See. Just a second, guys. I'll just check my bill. Because I have done some class, but I have not changed that one. 550. Okay, I have to do one mail click. Okay, so it will be like this for you. Okay, the first allocate. You will get one IP address. See, something you will get here. Done. Now click on this. Come to action. Associate. Select here whichever instance you are running. Private iPad, automatically will come 100 or 100, 198. And associate. Done. Come here. Refresh it. Select this. It came 3.109. Now again I will stop. I'll stop this. Even it is stopped, the public IP will not go. I am just,
If we refresh after stopping, if we refresh the page also.
it will be static. But you have to just give a link between your elastic IP and instance. Is it clear, guys? How to work on elastic IP? Because all the time the IP changes, your web page also will change. Like if you give google.com, it's the same page only, correct? Because they associate the IP. See, this time instant is stopped, but IP is still there. That time I stopped, IP was not there. Clear? Guys, clear?
Instead of IP,
Sir, can you repeat this one again, sir, one time more?
This is to make your static IP address, whatever public IP you get, you can fix it for one instance. So if I restart my IP address will not change. Okay? But if I don't fix, my IP address will change, and all the time my web page will be different IP address, which is not good.
Yeah, so that no one can open that one, no? Because they don't know the exact IP address.
एक मिनट सुनाई नहीं दिया, धीरे से अच्छे से बोलो.
क्योंकि वेब पेज हमारा हर बार चेंज होगा तो मुझे खुद नहीं पता चलेगा कि मुझे वो वेब पेज कैसे ओपन करना है.
यस, इसलिए तो हम लोग की पब्लिक आईपी को स्टैटिक कर देंगे.
और ये अमेज़न की तरफ से हमें बस एक स्टैटिक आईपी मिलता है क्या?
अमेज़न आप जितना क्रिएट करोगे उतना मिलता रहेगा आपको, मगर आपको एक फ्री मिलता है.
स्टैटिक आईपी तो मैं खुद से कोई भी एड्रेस उसमें डाल सकते हैं, तो मैं तो
You
बहुत सारा
cannot-
बना सकता हूँ.
No, you cannot take static IP address. See, allocate, you will not give any option. ये लोग वो लोग डिफाइन करेंगे पब्लिक आईपी. कौन सा आप पब्लिक आईपी को स्टैटिक बना रहे हो, आप स्टैटिक ले रहे हो.
ओके ओके ओके. हाँ.
You are taking public IP and making that is static. That's it. You are not creating static IP.
ओके ओके.
If I allocate once again, one more IP address I will get. See, one more IP address I have got. Again, if you want, you can associate this one to different section. Okay, now I don't have an instance. See, this stop. Clear?
And if we will remove that instance, then again we will get one more chance for that one.
Yes. If I release that one, then I can put this one.
And make that static.
Only that means what? You are just fixing this one to your instance.
Okay.
Okay, sure. So this is what your static IP was. Clear? Now let's do again the London thing. So if I see here, my snapshot has come. In which region? London region. Now click this action. Now you have to create image. This step by step you have to follow. Now here images are not there. See. From that snapshot, you have to create an image. Click create image. Give a name. And give try one. Okay, and create. Received. Come to AMI. See, it is created. Launch. Either you can launch from here or go there and check. Both are same. Like if you go to choose AMI, you will get try here. Same thing. No differences. Select and just go with default settings only. I'll go with default setting now. Just a second. This one I have to enable. Default VPC only I will take because I don't have any VPC in London. key I'm not giving. Here I will give all traffic. Review. Launch. Here no key pair. Let's create a key pair. Up. Download key pair. Save the file. Use. Backup. Okay. Clear? Now come to your instance. We'll wait for some time and then I'll check the web page and see the same web page, whatever I have created there, it will be showing here. Is it clear to all? See? No, that is that reason. What public IP, elastic IP based on the region. It will just copy the image file, that's it. Now copy this, paste here. So my setup is ready. So this is what backup is. Clear? And backup, migration, elastic IP, 3 things I have done today. Is it clear to all?
We have created a backup server in Mumbai mainly.
Yes, sir. got it.
Here I took backup and then I send here. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So for today I will keep it here. Or you want more?
No, sir.
No, sure. If you want more, I can give more.
No, sir. Enough.
Enough.
Sir,
Okay.
it's okay.
Okay.
Sir, one
then-
thing. Hello?
Mhm.
सर ये आप वो बिलिंग साइकिल जो हम चेक करते हैं, ठीक है सर, उसमें ये कैसे देखूं कि मेरा ये ऑटो डेबिट है या फिर सिर्फ मुझे पे करना है खुद की तरफ से?
ओके, बताता हूँ। रुक जाओ।
क्योंकि कार्ड से मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ मेरे कार्ड से अपने आप पैसा कट जाए सर, इसके
कटेगा भी
लिए।
नहीं।
नहीं, वो क्रेडिट कार्ड पे कटता था मैं जब किया हुआ था, तो वो अपने आप कटने लगा था सर, इसके लिए।
आपने अजूर किया होगा शायद।
नहीं, अमेजन का ही किया था बहुत पहले सर, तो उसमें हर एटलीस्ट 2 मंथ्स के बाद मेरा 400 500 कटने लगा था, मुझे पता भी नहीं चलता था वो स्लिप जब आता था तो।
Okay, fine. See here. Just come here. Click on bill. Okay, not bill. Payment method. Remember, in this payment method, don't give. Okay, anyhow, from starting 1st October only, automatically charges of default card or recurring payment will be disabled. Please make payment during the charges. Click on make payment. अभी से कटेगा भी नहीं, गवर्नमेंट ने नियम बना दिया है. If you know, no auto debit will be done from any application, even the Amazon or your recurring, your saving deposit. Government has made this rule. If you take, automatic debit will not be there. This is from RBI. No application can deduct money directly.
आफ्टर 1 अक्टूबर मेनली।
हाँ, हो गया, चेंज हो गया। देखो दिस ईयर ये आपने लॉन्च किया है ना, तो आपके ऊपर मेल भी आया होगा आपके बैंक से।
क्या मुझे चेक करना है?
तो ये सिक्योर कर दिया पूरा। ओके
ओके सर।
Okay, fine. Now remember one thing, once you do all those things, please ensure that you delete, or else you'll say, sir, I got lot of charges. Everything properly you go and delete. I'm just deleting it. Because every region will have different charges. On the last class, when I'll tell you how to check the charges. I will delete. So fine then, today we'll keep it here. We are not doing more. Please practice all those three quickly today. Again tomorrow we'll do. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. Bye bye all.
Bye, sir.
Bye. But remember to delete after practicing. I'm saying again and again.